Sean, you're a legend in food retail industry. You have more than 30 years of experience, internationally and the United States. Why, after all of your experience, you made the decision to invest your time to promote and deploy acoustic freezing technology in the United States?
Well, after all of that amount of time, Alex, working in those industries in and outside the United States, I know very well all of the hurdles or problems that are inherent in all of the technology that exists right now in the marketplace. And what I found with acoustic freezing is something that has a chance to revolutionize all of that.
And what is it? What are my main benefits from that acoustic freezing? What do you see?
Almost always when you have any kind of upgrade, there's a trade-off somewhere. This particular process has no trade-off whatsoever. So you get unbelievable extension in shelf life, and that quality is preserved or even sometimes improved.
And how is complicated to install it and to deploy in your business?
That's actually the magic of it. It's super simple. It operates right off of the existing acoustic or blast freezing technology that's in the market, and it's more of a complement and an upgrade to it than anything new.
And why your company is named Paradigm Lab? Paradigm Shift for Better Living. Why you name your company Paradigm Lab for the better living?
Because the paradigm is most of the time you can have good, fast, or cheap, but you can only ever get 2 of those. You can't get 3. This gives you all of those and makes it even better for healthy food. So you get 4 shifts inside there, and it's going to change the way people interact with their food in the United States.
What are the best applications of acoustic freezing technology so far?
Yeah, the thing that's impressive is it goes across the wide range of the market. Anything in fresh departments, bakery, meat, produce, deli, dairy, inside that space. What's really shocking is it works on produce. Most people would never think about freezing produce and expecting to get the same quality level of taste out of a fresh product, but that's a huge change that this technology enables.
Can you describe more about 5-minute gourmet? Why 5-minute gourmet?
Sure.
Is the first one application that you developed.
5-minute gourmet is there because there's a severe need to disrupt the frozen food market, especially in entrees or meals. That space is needing help. Most of the time there is a stigma with frozen food that it just can't compare to fresh food as far as quality and taste. And so we basically re-engineered that to where you can actually have extremely long shelf life, very good price, and unbelievable quality in a product that's frozen, which makes it a lot easier to fit people's lives and their lifestyles. They can use it whenever they want instead of time is becoming an enemy for them, and they have to make a choice to either use it or throw it away or waste it if it's fresh.
Thank you. I love your expression. You're saying time was an enemy. Can you?
Time is no longer an enemy.
Yes.
With this particular technology, the ramifications that it's going to have on the amount of food that's wasted is another thing we're extremely excited about.
In case your message would be heard directly to meals producers or any proteins processors, what is the main offer?
The main offer is the ability to basically buy your ingredients and handle your supply chain in a totally different way than the way you do it today, and the ability to have time actually be something that's a positive for you rather than something that forces you to make usually short-term or bad decisions.
And what would be your message to retailers?
To retailers, this is going to help in a variety of spaces throughout your store, whether that's at the ingredient level or at fully finished products that have been further processed and then can be preserved in the freezer.
And in our presentation, we send the message that it's major disruption in the food industry, which we have seen entire life. Is it real? Is it really the major disruption?
That's the fun part. I'm from Missouri, so you have to show me everything, and I was very skeptical of it to start with. After 2 years of running things through the freezer that we have here in Arkansas, it's shocking some of the performance that actually comes from it. So I think it's the proof's in the pudding, and we've got some very good examples to show people. All they really need to do is sit down and take a look at the facts, and they're going to see that there's more options for them now than there ever has been before in the past.
Thank you. And the last question: what kind of help you require now to create that paradigm shift for better living in the US?
Yeah, actually what we need is all of the hurdles and the things that were detractions for people up to this point that they struggled with. Anything that made them make bad decisions, if they just make a list of those and bring it to us, I think we can sit down and knock them off one at a time and give them a different approach that's going to allow them to run their businesses more effectively and satisfy customers at a higher level.
And why you are participating in the investment summit? Are you looking for any investment partner? Whom you are looking for?
Sure. Who we're looking for is somebody that's very thought forward, somebody that's very aggressive and sees the potential of the technology to drive change and to reset kind of the way that the industry is run. And so anybody that is interested in doing that and wants to grow their business over the next 10 years in a new way, that's the people we want to target.
Super. Thank you very much.
You bet.
Do you want to add anything?
No, it's good.
Thank you. Super.